Okay, by designing the most accurate and most reproducible scanner on the planet, I've inadvertently lulled you into the fantasy that the MyoVision will work forever with no maintenance. The truth, due to salt and conductive liquid buildup, the performance of your scanners has been degrading over time. Need to push harder to get a good reading? Taking longer to stabilize when touching the skin? Readings are not as accurate as before. I created a solution you're going to love. How did I apply NASA tech to solve this problem? Instead of rebuilding the entire device, as done before, I created the front end Renew, a user replaceable part that you can replace in under 5 minutes in your own office at your convenience. This returns the scanner to almost new performance, saving you time and experiencing that legendary MyoVision top-notch reproducibility. Those outside the US will love this, as there are no customs hassles that apply to all of their systems, and the cost of shipping this small front end Renew is minimal. For those with white label and most rechargeable yellow label scanners, you simply order the front end Renew and replace it at your convenience once per year. Remember to order 2 if you're using dual scanners. Order it today. If there's a discount code, it'll be presented below. Thank you and happy scanning.
Order today at store.myovision.com.